In today's video, I am going to teach you how to connect Printify on your Wix website. This process helps you link your Printify account to your Wix site, so you can begin creating and selling products without manually handling all the details yourself. I will walk you through the exact steps, and I will also explain what you should expect to see as you go. First, go to the Printify website. When you arrive, take a moment to make sure you are signed in to the correct Printify account. Being logged in matters because the connection you create will be attached to that account. If you are not already signed in, you should complete the sign-in process before continuing. Next, click My New Store at the top. This area is where Printify manages store connections and setups. Look for a top navigation option that clearly says My New Store. Clicking it helps you move from general account pages into the section that controls how your store is connected to sales channels. After that, click Manage My Stores. This step is important because it takes you into a control panel view where you can choose actions related to your stores. You should see options for connecting or configuring stores. Take a moment to scan the page so you can confirm you are on the correct management screen. Then, click Connect. At this point, Printify will guide you through selecting a platform to connect with. You may see buttons or a list of integrations. The Connect action is what launches the authorization flow, so it is the starting point for linking your Printify account to Wix. Now, select Wix. This is where you specify the target platform for the connection. When you choose Wix, Printify will prepare the proper authorization steps for the Wix integration. Make sure you select the Wix option exactly, since other platforms may look similar but use different permissions and setup paths. After selecting Wix, you will need to complete the Wix authorization. This part typically involves a Wix login and a confirmation screen where you approve the integration. Follow the prompts on the Wix side carefully. If you are asked to sign into Wix, use the correct Wix account that corresponds to the website you want to connect. If there are multiple Wix profiles available, make sure you choose the one that owns the site. Once the authorization page appears, accept the permissions. This is the final approval step that allows Printify to access what it needs to connect to your Wix store. Read through the permissions briefly, but do not worry if it sounds like a standard integration request. Accepting the permissions is what completes the handshake between the two platforms. After you accept, allow a moment for the connection to finish. Depending on your browser speed and network, the page may take a few seconds to confirm success. During this time, avoid refreshing or closing the tab. When the connection completes, you should be able to return to the Printify store management view and see that Wix is connected. Finally, you are ready to continue setting up your products and store details inside Printify, and then integrate them into your Wix website. The connection is the foundation step because it establishes the link that allows Printify to work alongside your Wix site for product management and order fulfillment. And that covers everything you need to know. That is all there is to it.